Containers of Hope project in Costa Rica. What if I told you that you could build a beautiful eco-friendly home for just $40,000? Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what architect Benjamin Garcia Sachs did with his stunning Containers of Hope project in Costa Rica. This isn't your average tiny home. It's a 1,000 square foot masterpiece made from 2 repurposed shipping containers, proving that sustainable living can also be stylish. The design is pure genius. Instead of just slapping 2 containers together, Sachs lifted the roof right in the middle, creating a natural skylight that floods the space with sunlight by day and moonlight by night. Talk about a dreamy atmosphere. Now let's talk about air circulation. Since Costa Rica can get pretty hot, this home uses large, strategically placed windows to let the breeze flow naturally, eliminating the need for air conditioning. That's right, this home stays cool, comfortable, and energy efficient without guzzling electricity. And the best part? The couple who owns this home used their savings, instead of taking out a massive mortgage, to build it. So, instead of drowning in debt, they're living in a home that's fully paid off and beautifully designed. Could this be the future of affordable housing? Imagine if more people ditched expensive mortgages and opted for creative, low-cost homes like this. Would you trade a traditional house for a shipping container paradise like this one? Let's talk.